This little Jeep is small on size, but big on adventure. Is the Renegade the crossover you've been waiting for? We have a closer look right now. If you'd like to learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, Research, Jeep, and then select Renegade. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The Renegade is the smallest member of the Jeep family, but just because it's small doesn't mean it lacks in capability. Quite the opposite, in fact. The base trim Renegade Sport starts at $22,600. The trail-rated Trailhawk we have here is loaded with off-road ready accessories, and it starts at $28,215. New for 2020 is a more powerful turbocharged 1.3-liter engine. This is good for up to 177 horsepower and 200 pound-feet of torque. It's connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Though you can get other Renegade trims with front-wheel drive, the Trailhawk model is only available with all-wheel drive. EPA rates this setup at 27 miles to the gallon on the highway and 22 around town. Storage is excellent for a subcompact. Behind the second row is 18.5 cubic feet. Fold down the passenger seats for up to 50.8 cubic feet of total capacity. Our test car even came with the optional tow package, which is rated for up to 2,000 pounds. The second row has plenty of headroom for adults. You also get USB and AC power sockets. Overall, this is a very nicely put together cabin. Seats can be trimmed with optional leather. All switchgear falls to hand nicely. Extra features like heated seat controls are accessible on the 8.4-inch touchscreen, which is an upgrade over the standard 7-inch system. This large-screen infotainment is easy to use and includes navigation for quick and easy searches. This upgraded head unit supports all the hits, including XM satellite radio, streaming apps, and you can even plug in a mobile device for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay functionality. Hit reverse and the screen becomes a backup camera with dynamic guides and optional rear cross traffic alerts, which come bundled with the blind spot alert option. Collision mitigation is now available on all Renegade trims except for the Trailhawk model. Driving the Trailhawk is actually quite a lot of fun. This is an easy-to-like crossover with lots of capability right out of the box. It's at home both on the highway as well on mountain trails. The available 1.3-liter turbo engine provides plenty of thrust for cruising and passing, while providing improved economy over last year's engine. And when the going gets tough, switch the Renegade Trailhawk into rock mode and let the all-wheel drive system do all the work. It'll make molehills out of literal mountains, and it pushes power to all four corners, making the most of even limited grip. The 2020 Jeep Renegade is a fun little crossover that continues to impress with its capabilities and comforts, both on-road and off. For the best price, check with your local AutoNation dealer for the latest incentives and offers. Get started by visiting AutoNationDrive.com to see the latest from Jeep. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation dealer.